Alright, so the next room uh, that we have here is the Linux Fundamentals Part 2. This one's a little bit harder, just because the second time I went through it, I just had issues pulling up the sandbox. Not the sandbox, but the attack box for it. Let's see. So first one. Here, let's see. So when I did it the second time going through, I tried logging in through the SSH and then using the password like the TryHackMe that it had here, and then that wasn't working. So after it was pulling this up for me right here, I would type in yes, and then it'll prompt me for a password, and for some reason it wasn't working out the second time. So I'm just gonna go through it like normal. Um, so with this one, the second question, what directional arrow key would we use to navigate down the manual page? Just a down arrow, and that's on this man, pulling up the manual. So the man list right here, you can see where it's showing that. And then what flag would you use to display out human readable? When it was able to pull up on my side thing, you're able to scroll down and you can pull up the answer minus H. Right. First question on this one is how would you create the file name new note? Touch new note. How do you start that one? That is shown here with the touch new note. Second question here. On the deployable machine, what is the file type of unknown one in TryHackMe's home directory? And that's ASCII text. And you can do that by doing file or cat on that file and then cat. And then how would we move the file, my file to the directory, my folder, MV for move my file. So you're going to move my file and then you specify which one you want to go on into under my folder. And then to find out the contents of it, you do cat my folder or my file, and then you get the THM file system. Right. Moving on. On here on the deploy machine, who is the owner of important? And to find that, you could do what is it? Yeah, right here. List LH. And then that shows the list of users. And then if you wanted to switch to user 2, SU for substitute user, and then user 2. And then it provides the password user2, and then that's what you'd have to use to start using user2 out of that root command. And then output the contents of important. Once you would also do the cat there. First question here with the README. What is the directory path that we expect logs to be stored in? That's the variable for logs, var log. That is here where you'll see that. So, running service is written here. What root directory is similar to RAM on a computer? RAM is random access memory. So yeah, once you turn off the computer, it's gone. So temporary would be that TMP. The next one, name the directory of the root user. That one's root. And then, yeah, this one's just asking you to apply all the knowledge. Same here. So that's pretty much all you need to know to get through Fundamentals Part 2. Just some things. It was really in depth going through a lot of these. Luckily, I knew some of the things already, so it kind of made it a lot easier. But there were some commands that it kind of elaborated on for me, so I did like that. But for the most part, it was pretty easy to get through. It was a little challenging in some parts, but overall, pretty easily able to get through.